What's up everyone, Japanese here and welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday and as you guys can see here, yeah, I would like to show you today guys how to open a durian. Yeah, here in the Philippines we call this fruit durian. So the capital city of this fruit is it's in Davao City. So there's a lot of durian in Davao City. So this fruit it tastes like heaven but smells like hell. Yeah, there's a lot of people here don't like to eat this kind of fruit, but it's so yummy. It's so yummy lang. So the first thing, if you would like to open this fruit, you need to follow this line. Yeah, this line, so you can able to so you could open this. And next one, the other mark here, the line, yeah, that is how it's the proper way yeah, opening this kind of fruit. So Giselle, Moby, please take this plate here, yeah, so we can start to open. So uy, pagpon ka na green. My god, it's so strawberry.
Very tasty.
Yeah, it's tasty.
Very tasty. Very tasty.
Very funny.
Very fun. Very.
Ken Kobe, my god. He is so a durian lover. Look at Ken Kobe. Oh, she can eat that all. Oh my god. Lang, pag-eat na lang. Here. Eat. Durian has a lot of vitamins. So this durian, this is not good for the high blood people. If the high blood people, they're gonna eat this one, they will going to die. It's so yummy. No. Finish. Yeah, so this is already the. Yeah, so I need I will throw this away. So this kind of fruit you need to be extra careful because this is dangerous, and yeah, it costed it. Yeah. So yeah, and this fruit this is not good for the people who has high blood. So if you're gonna eat this one, you need to eat moderately. Nico, sit down. Hi Nico, how are you, Nico? His name is Nico, a Rottweiler dog. Go sit down. Very good boy. So we're finished eating our lunch, and actually it's raining here again and again. It's already the winter time. Yeah, and then yeah, I'm here sitting outside in my sister's karaoke place, sitting around. Okay, from my sister's garage. Oh, it's raining. So you work rain or shine? How much is the labor? Yeah, he's working, rain or shine. Paul, di pa ka nanyog to, hoy? God, it's too noisy. Hoy, dili pa ka magkaon? You haven't eaten your lunch yet. Oh my god. God, it's so noisy. is my sister's house. So that one, that place where I want, exactly where I want to build my own little space. Yeah, for someday. Well, I cannot say for now that I'm planning to build my dream home because it's not yet. It's just a small, tiny place, and hoping someday I could build my dream home. Yeah, very soon. I'll be praying for that someday in God's perfect time.